Welcome to Macmillan English Campus Videos for Teachers. My name's Patrick and I'm the digital trainer at Macmillan. In this video, I'm going to look at some of the ways you can use Macmillan Campus. The content and activity types on campus are incredibly rich. What you teach and how you teach it will depend a lot on your class and the context in which they're learning. The pre-built courses are available at 6 levels, which correspond to the CEFR levels A1 to C2. The resources cover all 4 skills, along with grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and many other types of activity. You can choose to build your own course, or you can bookmark specific activities and send them to students or classes for extracurricular work. One popular way of using Campus is with a flipped classroom methodology. That means setting your students' instructional content and activities such as grammar work to do at home, and therefore freeing up class time for communicative activities. Each of the grammar reference units on campus contains an explanation of the grammar point. As activities are automatically marked, students get instant feedback. Encourage them to do grammar tasks at home. Any questions can be asked and answered in class, and this frees up more time for communicative activities. A lot of campus courses are available in print. This means you could implement a blended approach to your class, mixing print course books in class time with online activities outside of class. General courses like Global and Innovations or business courses such as In Company are great for this. Again, set individual tasks like reading, writing and grammar as online homework on campus, and use classroom time for speaking and collaborative projects and delving into the print books. Another way to use campus is to encourage peer-to-peer teaching. Divide your class into groups and set each group a different task or grammar point to study at home. Then, when they come to class, split them into different groups and ask them to teach each other what they've learned. This way, the teacher becomes a facilitator and the students actively engage more with the content as they have to pass it on as new information to their peers. There are lots of specific content types available for campus classes. Exam courses range from the Cambridge Suite and IELTS to TOEIC and TOEFL, and can be combined with print courses and practice tests to prepare students effectively for exams. Business content, found in the In Company series, can be implemented to teach business scenarios like a board meeting or group negotiations. And of course, there are numerous general English courses to choose from. Encourage your students to explore campus outside class, where they can watch comprehensive grammar videos and get instant feedback on their work. And most of all, take time to explore the campus yourself to help you choose the right approach for your class. Thank you for watching.